Hello, today we are in lab 12.4.8 and we are going to troubleshoot wireless network problem. Be as short as possible, so I'm going to be as fast as possible with some of the things I do in this lab. Alright, so let's start up. Go to the IT admin laptop and then let's go to the network area, CompNet, and select CompNet. So we select and connect. We are now connected. So we troubleshoot and fix the wireless in the executive's laptop. Okay, and interface card is not turned on. Okay, so let's go to executive laptop and then go to his. Let's see, this is not connected. Okay, let's see. Let's go into his office and executive on laptop, and this is not turned on, so let's turn this on. So let's go back and see. You can see it is now turned on, so we can see all the network that we want. So let's connect to CompNet to connect automatically. Click on connect. Let's check answers. And remember, if this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.